Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the velocity in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder as well, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can change the velocity of our notes and our tracks in GarageBand. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up any of the instruments that I want to change the velocity for. So let's say I want to change the velocity for my keyboard. So now guys, what you want to do is to go ahead and get started recording your track. Let's say you have your track right here in this recording menu. You have played your track, and now in the upper left corner we can click this edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we have played. So guys, you can see here I have my keyboard track and my drum track. So basically guys, what we want to do if we want to change the velocity of our track is to tap on the track right here. This is going to open up this new menu, and in this new menu that opens up, you want to click edit. When clicking on edit, this is now going to open up this new option where you can take a look at all the notes that you have played of your instruments and how they are played. And what you can do is click on any of the notes. After clicking on the notes guys, as you can see, this is now going to enable us to tap on velocity, and you can change the velocity, you can reduce it, add more, and so on, and this is how to change it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.